Goobers, welcome to a brand new motorcycle video. Today we're doing rear brake line. We're here at the Goober compound. We have beautiful bikes out in front of us, but we're gonna focus on the DRZ today. It's gonna get some love. We just did the front one recently, so we're not doing a video on that. It's gonna be about the rear brake today. And we're also putting some crash protection on the DRZ today too. So these are some RNG sliders. All we do is just throw them right through the hole in here. Come over here, check this out. You just throw them right through the hole. How easy is that? DRZ's getting some love today. Let's get started. All right, make sure you have all the correct things. We have some brake fluid here. We have Super Dot 4. We have a 12mm wrench that's gonna go right here on top of that. And also for this guy. And we have an 8mm socket. That's gonna just unhook that so we can move this guy around. Next, you wanna make sure you have your SS brake line. This is a beautiful red Coromoto steel braided brake line. It's just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to throw that thing on, get some stopping power. And we have a really, really cheap brake bleeding kit. This is just going to make things so much easier, guys. Get yourself some tubing to throw right here onto that nipple, and just makes it so much easier, guys. That's just how we're going to roll things today. And of course, make sure you have your bolts for your brake lines. Also, guys, I've never done this before, so I need my buddy Cowie Flo. Oh, I think I hear him now. Hey, Adam! Cowie Flo, need it! Just like look around. Yeah, look at that. I just showed it. It's dangling. There you go. Oh. Cool. Awesome. Good stuff.
Oh. Maybe it won't leak too much because the only pressure really is when this thing gets screwed. Oh. Did somebody can torque this on? That twist? Bro, this is stripping powders. It sucks. Dude, who worked on your bike? Cars, where do you take these things?
Oh, you know what? It must have been Herman tuning.
Oh, Herman.
Yeah. Straight up. Yeah, buddy.
Boy's been working on vehicles for many moons, dude.
Many moons.
And I take a deep breath and I say, good. Dude, did they put Loctite on this?
Oh my god.
Bro.
There we go. Now we have access to.
So now we can do where we try to.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's look at Shannon. She's gone, dude. She's Crocodile Dundee.
Imagine trying this last time we did the brake lines.
Dude, honestly, I'm so happy. I was like, oh, let's do this another day, Bowers. Because holy. Yeah. I actually think I have an extra one of these.
How those pads looking?
Yeah, they look good. See,
that.
because usually what you want to look for is you want the pad to be thicker than the piece that's holding it. Mechanics, Jesus. I'm the best around. No one's gonna ever let me down.
You're gonna trip on.
Dude, what is that? This is dirty as a mother. Sorry, Powers.
Look at all that, dude. Bro, this looks like Alien vs. Predator.
That's what I'm saying.
Ugh.
Again?
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
This is a really good learning experience for me.
Dude, absolutely. Powers, how do you think I learned, dude?
Yeah, exactly.
You know, from doing all this. So it's helpful when you have somebody like who's done it.
Yeah.
Dude, your boy.
But you did
How
really
to-
on in here. You assemble your banjos. Assemble all banjos.
Man. Nasty, let me.
Chutney.
Yeah, that works.
They can do chutney.
I'm gonna say nasty, that could.
brake pads are together. Now it's just like shooting everywhere. We're running from it.
Yeah. See? That's all you need. Do a quick little double check. Boom. Done.
Boom, bam. Getting tight right there.
Okay.
More bubbles, and that's
No
how you
more
know.
bubbles.
That's how you know.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh, with me.
Hold on, don't do it. We're getting really low in here. You always want to make sure you don't get too low in here, or else it'll start sucking up air, and boom, there comes your bubbles, your air bubbles
Square
again.
one.
Not as bad, not as too squarish.
Okay.
But annoying amount.
Okay. Let's get this angle with both of us here.
Okay.
15 minutes later.
Alright, so we're just gonna fill it up to at least get it right at our max level or upper level, and then close it all up and see we don't have any more air bubbles coming through. That's yeah, because this thing is not moving. Because if you release it, we shouldn't have any air bubbles. You want to try it one more time just to see in our actual line?
Yeah.
No bubble. We got a little bit under. Again, the lid's gonna kind of push some, but we're just gonna get it just a tickle bit more.
I'm not gonna use that brake fluid forever, and they go bad too. So whatever.
So we'll make sure we line this up. Make sure our plastic piece doesn't come off. Bada bing, bada boom, and just tighten it up. Tighten this up back up. Screw it back on, and you're golden.
All right, we're gonna install these RNG racing sliders. Let's do it. It's just pliers and whatever.
Donkey!